People cannot afford food. Hospital bills is an issue. Schools is an issue.
No murugi bumurai wense Recho Ruto nigonere ago kere gitambukiro kyaba Kenya gyogo kongya amasabo korwa chingaki bachagete goya kirekoko ase obachorio bonene bo mwako yega goikabuna bono basoire ase enyumba yoburai eriokora ense ya Kenya kwana chingaki echo Recho nigoboigo abagago tayabuna omunyega bo masabo nochiko gendera gokorekana ase enyumba eyo yoburai ya State House kero mutienyi eriokone kyabuna ense ya Kenya yabeire ke gusaberwa kona na bunenchira ya moyo kumweranire omonene ngambia mono ase obwaro babeire ka kubareta.
I want to take this opportunity to thank the church for praying for this nation. As our president has said, this presidency was gotten through prayer. Allow me to thank you. We can never thank you enough. The prayers, the fasting, the sacrifices, the stress that you had. You know, I was laughing during that electioneering period because the same pastors and prophets that had given the prophecies were the ones that were calling me, asking me whether things were okay. But I can imagine all of us were going through that stress. Thank you so much. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless your families and your churches. Because you gave to this nation, the Lord will remember you. The church, I want to tell you that this is not just the last service we are having. You will be coming here month after month to give thanks to the Lord because He has done us good. When the Lord answers your prayer, you go to give thanks. And we will not give thanks just once, but we will keep coming to this